Okay, so there is Aussie dollar, right? Let me remove the drawings so you can see how the market plays out. Let me just go to my daily time frame. Wow, yeah, look at this, right? So sure, just remove this. Right, so you can see that the market just rejected this level here and then it wants to move down. So where should we enter for a sell? We wait for a retest less zone, right? Let me go to my 4-hour time frame. Now you can see there is a retest less zone, and what do you see? You see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here, right? So you go to your 50 minutes time frame, move over. But as you can see, that bearish engulfing, it gave you a double top right here. You can see it gave you a double top, and then somehow it broke the neckline, right? So you wait for a retest here, and this is where you enter for a sell. You enter for a sell somewhere there. When you see, can you see stop loss just above that level, or 180 out above, and then a 1 to 3 the steroid ratio, right? And then you wait for the market to play this thing, right? So that's how I enter the market. Let me look at another example real quick. So let's say go to my daily time frame. Let me just remove the drawings. Yeah, there you go. So you can see in the last flip zone again, right? Market went high, pull back, went high, then pull back, go to a 4-hour time frame. Right, on the 4-hour time frame, what you will be waiting for, you'll be waiting for the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, right? The one that I was talking about. So you wait for the bullish engulfing, right? But here you see that the market is still bearish, right? So you're waiting for that bullish engulfing. Let me go to another one. So here I just entered for a sell. Okay, there you go. Right, this is the trade that I took last week, Friday, right? Let me just remove this. Yes, right. So I'm gonna go to my daily time frame. So you can see on the daily time frame we have this flip zone right here, right? So you could have entered here, right? You could have entered here, but I missed this this level here. So now I'm trying to enter here, but I'm not sure whether the market will respect this zone right here. But this zone has been tested multiple times, so it might be a better zone. So let us see what happens. So we go to your 4-hour time frame, right? So the 4-hour time frame, you wait for the bearish engulfing. Oh, you got this hammer candlestick or shooting star, right? So you check it, you can see it is indeed a shooting star, right? So if it's a shooting star, you highlight this zone. The stop loss has to be above this level here, right? So you go to your 15 minutes time frame to look for entries. So look at what this thing gave you, right? You can see at some point it gave you a break, right? A break below this zone, right? So one would have waited for a retest that will be happening here, right? A break, then a retest, then look for entries. But you can see that the market never really gave us that retest. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are waiting for the razor for a bearish engulfing, then you go short. Right, that's when you go short. So yeah, just hoping that the market will respect that level. Then let's go to your New Zealand dollar. Let us see. daily time frame. Right, so you can see that we have this flip zone. Market came here, pull back, came here, pull back. Right, watch your 4-hour time frame. Look for a bearish engulfing. Ooh, there you go, nice. Right, so you get this nice bearish engulfing candlestick. Right, go to your 50 minutes time frame. You look for selling opportunities, right? Look for sell opportunities, right? So you can use here. You can use which is this. So here you can use either. Can use here. I'm using RSI indicator, right? So you can use anything to enter, right? So you can see based on my confirmation. So you can see that the market was bullish, right? So it was bullish all the way. It was bullish. So entering here would be very stupid, right? Then you can see that the market gave you a rejection right here, gave you a double top, right? At a double top, you wait for break of the neckline, then a retest, right? So where would you enter at this beautiful bearish engulfing candlestick? Now stop loss above this level, a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, right? And you can see how the market plays out. That's crazy. You could have taken a profit, like nice take profit, and then of course the market went all the way down. Market went all the way down, which is a 1:4 reward to risk ratio, right? So this is how